This is Bhuvneshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Joseph College, Hosur. In this session, we will discuss about Fourier series in the interval 0, L. In that, we are going to discuss about cosine series. The formula for a Fourier series in the interval 0, L is, so for a cosine series formula is a0 by 2 plus summation. Already see it is cos nx, here n pi x by L. L means in the interval 0, L means n pi x by L, where a0 is, this is the formula 2 by L integral f of x dx. An means 2 by L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. So now if next problem, let's move on to the problem here. So problem is find the half range cosine series for the given function f of x is equal to x minus 1 the whole square in the interval 0 to 1 we are taking. So this is nothing but 0 to L. So L is what here? L is 1 here. So first I'm going to find A0 and A0 here. What is A0? We are going to find A0 and An and we are going to substitute in this function f of x. What is A0? A0 means 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. Here the given function is x minus 1 the whole square. So when we integrate x minus 1 the whole square, we will get it as x minus 1 the whole cube by 2 by 1 is called 2 by is constant here. When we integrate this, we will get x minus 1 the whole cube by 3. We will get the limits are from 0 to 1 here. When I substitute here, 1 means upper limit 1, we will get the upper limit terms as 0. Minus, when I substitute here lower limit as 0 means we will get upper limit minus of minus. Here 2 into, when I substitute here 0, we will get it as 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1, the whole cube is minus 1 we will get. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 by 3 we will get. So upper limit minus lower limit, a minus will come. That minus and this minus becomes plus. So 0 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. This is A0. Next, we are going to find An here. An's formula is this 2 by L integral 0 to L. F of x in the place of f of x, which here x minus 1 the whole square cos n pi x by L dx here. So we are going to integrate this by UDV method. So we are using the formula here, integral UDV is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 goes on. So what is u? U is x minus 1 the whole square. When we find u dash from this, we will get it as 2 into x minus 1. When we differentiate x, we will get 1 here. So 2 into x minus 1. So u double dash means we will get only 2. When you differentiate 2, we will get, differentiate x, we will get 1. So try this 2 as it is. 2x means you will get 2. X square means 2x. So 2x means the differentiation is 2 here. So dv is cos n pi x. So v1, when we integrate this, we will get sin n pi x by n pi. So here we are taking v as dv as cos n pi x. When we integrate this dv, we are getting v1 here. When we integrate cos n pi x, we will get sin n pi x by cos 5x means cos sin 5x by 5. Here in the place of that number 5, we are having here n pi. So integration of cos n pi x means sin n pi x. Nearer to x, we are having n pi. So by n pi. Again, when we integrate this, 1 by n pi is constant. So when we integrate sin n pi x, we will get minus cos n pi x by n pi. So this is nothing but minus cos n pi x by n pi the whole square. N pi into n pi, n square pi square, n pi the whole square we will get. So we will get from dv, we got v1 here. When we integrate again v1, we will get v2 here. So next, when we integrate this, we will get here minus 1 by n pi the whole square is constant. When we integrate cos n pi x, we will get sin n pi x by n pi. This is nothing but minus sin n pi x by n pi the whole square into n pi is n pi the whole cube. So when we differentiate 2, we will get here 0. So there is nothing to find v4. If I find v4 also, u triple dash into v4 means it becomes 0. So there's enough to find up to v3 here. So when we substitute here u v1, v1 is what? Here sin n pi x by n pi minus u dash v2. What is u dash? U dash is minus 2 into x minus 1. V2 is minus cos n pi x by n square pi square. N pi x by n pi the whole square is in the middle, n square pi square. Plus u double dash V3. U double dash is 2. V3 is minus sin n pi x by n cube pi cube. Here the limit is from 0 to 1 here. So when I substitute here, in the place of sine 1 and 0, if I put 1 means sine n pi, the value sine n pi value, whatever sine pi, sine 2 pi, sine 0, all are 0. So this term also becomes 0. This term also becomes 0. So we will get only this term here, cos n pi only, we will get only cos n pi term we will get. So we will get us, when I substitute here, when I put in the place of x, I put 1 means this term becomes 0. So upper limit minus lower limit. When I substitute 0 in the place of x, we will get minus 2 into minus 1 is what? Plus 2 we will get. So upper limit minus lower limit. So we will get a minus there. So here cos 0, x in the place of x, put 0 here. So cos 0 by n square pi square. Here this n pi value is sine 0 is 0. Similarly cos n pi, when I put here 1 is also, this also becomes 0 here. So when I substitute here, so this term also becomes 0. This term also becomes 0. Sine n pi value is always sine 0 or sine n pi, always the value is 0. So we are going to substitute only for the second term here. When I put in the place of this 1 minus 1, this becomes 0. So this term is 0. 0 into, here it is cos, in the place of x, if I put 1 means cos n pi we will get. So this term 0, 1 minus 1, this becomes 0. So this whole term becomes 0 here. This term becomes 0. This is cos n pi. This also becomes 0 here. So where upper limit minus lower limit, when I substitute here in the place of x, lower limit means here we will get 0, 0 minus 1. So minus into minus 1, 2 into minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Plus into minus is minus. Upper limit minus lower limit is 1 minus will be there. Minus into minus becomes plus here. So in the place of x, if I put 0 means 2 into 1 is 2. 2 cos n pi into 0 is cos 0. 2 cos 0 by n square pi square. Cos 0 is nothing but the value is 1 here. So this becomes a 0. 2 into 2, 4. 4 by n square pi square. This is minus into here. The previously it will come as plus here. Minus into minus, this becomes plus. This, when I put 0 here, this minus and this minus becomes plus. When I multiply with this, we will get a minus. Upper limit minus lower limit. This minus and that lower limit minus becomes plus here. So we will get 4 by n square pi square. This is a naught plus summation an cos nx cos n pi x. This is the function for cosine series, half range cosine series. That's all. Thank you.